Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Desiree and I create plant-based recipes with a Latin twist. In this video, I'm making a vegan sancocho that will keep you warm and full during the colder months. Sancocho is a hearty stew made with a mix of root vegetables and meat. Traditionally, sancocho is made in one big pot and it's intended to feed a lot of people. Every Latin country has their own version of sancocho, but most recipes are similar to one another. My sancocho recipe comes from my grandmother's recipe with one major difference. Mine doesn't have any meat in it. Sancocho can be made with either chicken, pork, or beef. Instead, I decided to use seitan, which is a substitution for meat, which kind of resembles beef. You can use any plant-based meat substitute you want for this recipe. Heat a large pot over medium-high heat. Add some oil or a few tablespoons of water or vegetable broth if you're avoiding cooking with oil. Add the seitan and cook until all of the pieces are browned. Add the recao or sofrito, garlic, onions, and green peppers, and saute until softened. Add tomato sauce, pumpkin, taro root, white yam, cassava, green plantains, salt, and pepper. Cover all of the ingredients with water or vegetable stock. Bring to a boil, and once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to simmer and continue to cook for 35 to 45 minutes or until all of the vegetables are soft. This sancocho is a taste of the Caribbean in a bowl. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. What other recipes do you want me to make? Let me know in the comments also. If you want to check out more of my delicious plant-based recipes, head on over to my website at ricanvegan.com. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one. Also hit the bell to get notified of when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Since you made it this far in the video, why don't you check out one of my other videos by clicking here, and while you're at it, click over here to subscribe to my channel so you get notified of when I post new videos. There's going to be a new video coming out next week where I'm cooking up something new and delicious, so stay tuned.